What are the most perilous roads in the world, known for their treacherous conditions and high rates of accidents and fatalities? Today, we embark on a hair-raising odyssey along the most treacherous thoroughfares known to mankind. These roads, shrouded in danger and uncertainty, beckon us to test our mettle against nature's fiercest trials. Join us as we traverse winding cliffs, icy abysses, and heart-stopping precipices on our quest to uncover the most dangerous roads in the world. Strap in tight, for the journey ahead promises to be nothing short of electrifying. But before continue, we would like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on any amazing and entertaining content. North Youngest Road, Bolivia. The North Youngest Road, famously dubbed the Death Road, is a harrowing stretch of highway winding through the mountains of Bolivia. Spanning approximately 69 kilometers from La Paz to Karakorum, it earned its notorious reputation due to its narrow lanes, precipitous cliffs, and treacherous conditions. Carved into the Andes Mountains, the road features sheer drops of up to 600 meters, with no guardrails to prevent vehicles from plummeting into the abyss below. Fog, rain, and landslides further add to the hazards faced by drivers navigating this perilous route. Despite its dangers, the North Youngest Road was a vital trade route connecting remote communities until the construction of a safer alternative in 2006. Today, it attracts thrill-seeking adventurers and cyclists drawn to its adrenaline-pumping challenges and breathtaking scenery. However, its deadly legacy persists, with numerous fatalities recorded annually, earning it a place among the most dangerous roads in the world. James Dalton Highway, Alaska, USA. The James Dalton Highway, stretching 414 miles through the remote wilderness of Alaska, USA, is renowned for its extreme conditions and isolation. Built as a supply road for the Trans-Alaska Pipeline System, it traverses rugged terrain, permafrost zones, and Arctic tundra. With minimal services along its length, including few gas stations or amenities, travelers must be self-sufficient and prepared for emergencies. The highway is notorious for its treacherous weather, including blizzards, ice storms, and high winds, which can create whiteout conditions and hazardous driving conditions. Additionally, its gravel surface can become slick and rutted, exacerbating the risks for motorists. Despite these challenges, the James Dalton Highway offers stunning views of Alaska's wilderness and provides access to some of the most remote regions of the state. However, its unforgiving nature earns it a reputation as one of the most dangerous roads in the world. Karakorum Highway, Pakistan to China. The Karakorum Highway, often referred to as the KKH, is a marvel of engineering stretching over 1,300 kilometers from Pakistan to China. It traverses the majestic Karakorum mountain range, reaching altitudes of over 4,600 meters and offering breathtaking views of rugged terrain and towering peaks. However, its beauty belies its danger, as the highway is prone to landslides, avalanches, and extreme weather conditions, including heavy snowfall and sudden storms. Additionally, the road's narrow passages and sharp bends pose challenges for drivers, while its remote location limits access to emergency services. Despite ongoing efforts to improve safety, accidents and fatalities are not uncommon along this treacherous route. Nevertheless, the Karakorum Highway remains an important artery for trade and tourism, connecting Pakistan and China while offering adventurers a thrilling journey through some of the world's most spectacular landscape. Trollstigen, Norway. Trollstigen, located in Norway's rugged terrain, is renowned for its dramatic scenery and challenging driving conditions. Translated as the Troll's Path, this serpentine mountain road winds its way through steep inclines, sharp bends, and cascading waterfalls, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding fjords and mountains. However, its narrow lanes and sheer cliffs make it one of Norway's most treacherous routes, especially during the winter months when icy conditions prevail. Despite safety measures such as guardrails and designated viewpoints, drivers must navigate carefully to avoid accidents along this perilous stretch. Trollstigen's reputation as a daring driving destination attracts thrill-seekers and adventurers seeking an adrenaline rush amidst Norway's natural beauty. However, its challenging terrain and unpredictable weather conditions demand respect and caution from those brave enough to tackle its twists and turns. For travelers willing to embrace the adventure, Trollstigen promises an unforgettable journey through one of Norway's most iconic landscapes. Gulang Tunnel Road, China. The Gulang Tunnel Road in China is a remarkable feat of engineering carved into the side of a steep mountain. Located in the Taihang Mountains of Henan Province, this narrow and winding tunnel road offers breathtaking views and a thrilling driving experience. Constructed by hand by villagers in the 1970s, it replaced a treacherous path carved into the cliff face. Despite its stunning vistas, the road is not without its dangers. Its tight turns, low clearance, and lack of guardrails make it a challenging route to navigate, especially for larger vehicles. Additionally, the road's construction quality and maintenance standards may vary, further adding to the risks for travelers. Nevertheless, the Gulang Tunnel Road remains a popular tourist attraction, drawing adventurers and thrill-seekers from around the world eager to experience its unique blend of natural beauty and engineering ingenuity. Trans-Siberian Highway, Russia. The Trans-Siberian Highway in Russia stretches over 11,000 kilometers from Moscow to Vladivostok, making it one of the longest roads in the world. While it offers travelers the opportunity to traverse the vast expanse of Siberia and experience its diverse landscapes, it also presents significant challenges. The highway passes through remote and sparsely populated regions with harsh weather conditions, including freezing temperatures, snowstorms, and icy roads during the winter months. Additionally, the lack of services and infrastructure along certain stretches of the route can leave travelers vulnerable to emergencies. Despite ongoing efforts to improve safety and accessibility, the Trans-Siberian Highway remains a formidable journey, requiring careful planning and preparation for those brave enough to embark on the adventure. Le Passage du Gua, France. Le Passage du Gua in France is a unique and perilous road that disappears underwater twice a day. Located in the Vendée region, this causeway connects the island of Noirmoutier to the mainland. However, during high tide, the road is submerged by the rising waters of the Atlantic Ocean, creating a hazardous passage for unwary travelers. The shifting sands and fast-rising tides make it essential for motorists to time their crossings carefully and adhere to safety warnings. Despite its dangers, Le Passage du Gua is a popular tourist attraction, drawing visitors eager to witness the spectacle of the disappearing road. However, its unpredictable nature serves as a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of respecting the sea's rhythms. For those willing to brave its challenges, Le Passage du Gua offers a memorable and adventurous experience unlike any other. Skipper's Canyon Road, New Zealand. Skipper's Canyon Road in New Zealand is a narrow and winding route carved into the rugged terrain of the South Island's Southern Alps. Constructed during the gold rush era of the late 19th century, it offers stunning views of sheer cliffs, steep drop-offs, and the picturesque Shotover River below. However, its narrow width and lack of guardrails make it one of the most dangerous roads in the country. Drivers must navigate hairpin bends and tight squeezes with extreme caution, as there is little room for error along this treacherous route. Despite its challenges, Skipper's Canyon Road is a popular tourist attraction, drawing thrill-seekers and adventurers eager to test their driving skills amidst the stunning alpine scenery. However, it's essential for travelers to approach this road with respect and caution, as its hazards are not to be underestimated. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey through some of the world's most perilous roads. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.